It's amazing what a ring light will do. This is me in the same exact lighting with no lights on at all. And this is me in the same light, just with the ring light. Oh my God. Keep watching so you can learn how I made my own ring light. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below your thoughts on this amazing ring light. You guys, I got everything from Walmart. Everything will be in the description box below, and I'll also start off with the video clip of everything that I used. Stay tuned to watch to learn how you can make your own ring light. You will need cardboard, LED light strips, tape, zip ties, long and small, scissors, a pen, wax paper foil, paper towel holder to use as a stand, and this green wire wreath. And I had already went ahead and put the LED lights on them, and I just secured it with a bunch of zip ties. So the lights are secure to the wire. I already went ahead and cut out the shape of the wreath from the cardboard, and I put foil all around it. So it's surrounded with foil. And this is the same size as the wreath. So the foil, cardboard, all around it, same size as the wreath. And I have the wreath. You see the lights are secured by the zip ties. Everything is secured by the zip ties. Right here, I have the cord going back on the back side, hanging off so it can plug in easily. So it will be like this, and it'll plug in. So this is it. This is gonna go right on top of here, just like that. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use these big zip ties, and I'm going to go underneath. You see I'm underneath the whole thing. I'm gonna go underneath, and I'm gonna go under one of the wires. Lift it up so I can get it back out. So you can see I'm only under one wire. Then I'm going to zip tie it. As tight as possible. I'm gonna keep doing it, going around, going over different wires. So you see I'm going over the first wire, just the first one. Going back, zip tying it. And this will connect the wire to the cardboard to keep it in place. You see it's not coming off. Now I'm going to take my scissors and cut each thing off. Next, I'm gonna take the wax paper and cut out strips. Looks pretty cool, right? Now I'm going to zip tie the cord to the holder. All right, it's pretty dark in here, but I wanted to show you how bright this ring light actually is. So this is the ring light. It's on the paper towel holder, and there is the plug right there. And it's hooked up to my extension cord. So I'm gonna walk around. I'm gonna show you guys how bright this ring light actually is. So this is it right in front of me. All right guys, so this is me. I am in my room. There's no lights on. The only little light is right here from my window. No light on at all. I'm about to plug up this ring light. I am super excited. Let me show you guys again. So this is the light, and it's on a stand. The stand is a paper towel holder. Okay, so we have the ring, we have the stand, and it literally is staying still, okay? I'm about to place it right here in front of me. And again, not holding on to anything. It's literally standing on this paper towel holder. I'm about to plug in the light and we're gonna see how bright it actually gets. All right, give me 1 second. Are you ready? Oh my God. Make sure this is in all the way. Whoa. You guys, I am like super bright. This is the only light on in my room right now. Like, dude, I can do any kind of makeup look. Like, oh my God. Dude, this ring light is amazing. And it took me less than an hour, less than $30, and look, you guys, hello, make your own ring light, okay? Seriously, like, I am so bright. I definitely, you know what? I'm about to do my makeup real quick. Definitely gonna do my makeup really, really quick. I'm just gonna throw some eyeshadows on so you guys can see, dude, like how amazing this light is. Hold on. This will be the quickest makeup look you've ever seen in your life. Just gonna throw on some purple eyeshadow. Like, I'm really not like, you know, doing this in detail, just showing you guys how bright this light is. Like, I really don't need any other light. Like, I really don't. I'm just doing something really quick. I'm not priming my eyes. I'm not really doing any of that. This is just for display purposes. I'm just showing you guys how this light affects my makeup. Like, you guys will really be able to see this color and everything. And usually I'm having to put so freaking much. Usually I'm having to put a lot of flash and stuff on, but I'm not. I don't have to. Like, you guys, make your own ring light. Please make your own ring light. Seriously. Like, all the stuff I got from Walmart, less than $30 or just around $30. Like, seriously. Alright guys, so I did just a quick little look. I know it's nothing serious, but I just wanted to show you guys that this light here makes a huge difference in my makeup application. Like, now I can see. Before I had like a bunch of different lamps, but this ring light that I made at home from Walmart for less than $30 is amazing. Like, yeah. Get a ring light, make it super easy, less than $30. It took me less than an hour, okay? Thanks so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions. If you want me to make you one and mail it to you, dude, I can seriously do that too. I am a ring light pro now, okay? Comment below, please subscribe. More videos like this will be coming out soon. Follow me on Instagram, Simply Shanique. Follow me on Facebook, subscribe, like, comment, all of that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.